Good morning everybody. Wow, morning, it's actually evening right now. We kind of had a little bit of a lazy day yesterday. When we got here we stopped. We are actually back, if anyone remembers back quite a few weeks ago now, when we were at Neverton Tunnel. It's actually where I lost my drone.
So Dan's just been playing with the drone.
Love this thing.
We've got both of the boats together now.
Many words were exchanged here, few of which were suitable for YouTube. We tried to retrieve the drone using a magnet and the boat hook, but were unsuccessful.
I wasn't able to retrieve the memory card, or the footage from it either.
We've had many successful flights in the past, so it's a shame that this one had to be our last. We wish we had been able to share some drone shots of the canals with you. Instead, we thought we'd share with you some of our favourite drone footage from one of our trips abroad.
In one of the most beautiful countries I've ever visited. We hope you enjoy.
We were so busy last summer that we didn't really get a chance to fly the drone.
It was the first time we had out on the boat, and sadly it was its last.
We had received an email that morning about an exciting opportunity to be featured on television, and if you've been following us on social media for some time or you live in the Midlands, then you might already know something about this.
More about that in another vlog though.
So if you ever happen to be magnet fishing by Neverton Tunnel, keep an eye out for our little yellow drone.
Doesn't bring back the best memories, but it's a lovely place around here and we're here. So basically what I wanted to do, I want to go back to that vlog and restart off where we were supposed to before the lockdown started, if that makes sense. I think what we're going to do, because it's evening now, I think we'll probably wake up tomorrow, we'll get going, and that's where we will start. But I just wanted to tell you where we had stopped for the night. So today I'm going to kick it off and get straight going. I think we're going to go check the diesel, and we're going to check the oil, and yeah, just basically do a little bit of a maintenance check. Just make sure that we're definitely all set to go through the tunnel, because this is a bit bigger than the other tunnel that we went through. I'll put up at the top the name because I totally forgot for a second. But yeah, so we will do that. I remember Waste Hill Tunnel. First thing to do, top up the water that cools the engine. So now for the next bit, I want to go just check the diesel, so that's over here.
We can see it's not too empty, but we'll top it up just to be safe. We must be careful not to spill any.
And wipe up any if we do. So it didn't actually take that much at all, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I think we're ready to go. We're just going to check the oil now, so we'll show you checking the oil.
It's down to the minimum mark,
It's time to top up.
but we're out of oil.
So I'm just going to go head down to the garage down here and hopefully they're going to have what I need. Fingers crossed.
While Dan went to the shops, I thought I'd make sure the stern gland is greased.
This will do, I suppose. I know it's not the greatest brand, that's why I only bought a small one, to get us through until I can actually get the stuff that I really do use for this. Show you how we're going to put that in. The trick is not to spill, and to do it bit by bit and slowly. So, change of plan. Me and Georgia absolutely love a thunderstorm, so we're going to sit here and watch the thunderstorm. If it stops early, then we'll get going, but if it carries on, we're going to stay here tonight and wake up extra early tomorrow morning and get straight going and try and see how far we can push down. But I'm still not going to tell you where we're going yet, so if you can, drop down in the comment where you think we're going.
And Dan's just putting the boards down quickly before it rains.
Although I'm sure the rooftop garden will appreciate the rainfall.
Oh. Who needs a drone in this weather anyway? Absolutely crazy out here. Why am I out? I don't know.
The storm is showing no signs of stopping.
And it's getting late in the day.
I think we'll stay here for the night and have another look at the weather for tomorrow morning to see if we can set off.
So it is actually, it's not really sunny, but it's cloudy. but it's not raining, which is brilliant, so we are going to get off and we're going to go. So I think we're going to do the tunnel now.
We're just passing through a toll island. Correction, we just crashed into a toll island.
In the past, toll islands were used to charge a fee to the working boats who passed through this area. The Black Country is known for its industrial history, and the canals are no exception. I would imagine many working boats passed through here carrying cargo.
There were lots of ventilation shafts in this tunnel.
But its most interesting feature, perhaps, is that it has a towpath running down either side. We were met by cyclists and pedestrians on our way down the tunnel. Thank you to everyone watching, to all of our subscribers, and to our special supporters on Patreon.
We really hope you enjoyed.
Join us next week for the second leg of our cruise and a relaxing meander through Dudley.
And to see us do a lock.